Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How Logical. Today in this video I am going to show you how to download or install Money Manager Classic Lite. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, go to your Play Store or App Store. Then search Money Manager Classic Lite. Then you can see Money Manager Classic Lite by Expense Management Tracking. Tap on it. Then press Install button. It might take a while to install the app depending upon your internet speed. Once the app has been installed, open Money Manager Classic Lite app to help you with your personal finance management. This was for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you.